This is Tamer from Marwa Market in Oakland on Telegraph. My market is very unique from being an Afghan and Afghan bakery, the kebab, and also the different kind of grocery and Middle Eastern groceries. We do halal meat. All of my food is halal. So as the restaurant, as you can see behind me, is all the food is halal. Yeah, the Afghani bakery, we do that every day. The bread is one of a kind from Afghanistan, and we cook it here every day. This is the halal meat over here, and we hand cut it as we order the meat. And we have lamb, veal, chicken, fish, all that is halal. And we also do custom kebabs for kebab. If you want to order any kind of a kebab, lamb, beef, chicken kebab, ground beef kebab, we do that too for picnics and stuff like that. And this is one of the spices. Each spice is individually packed, or also you could do pre-packed mixed spices, make your job a little bit easier. And if you want any advice on cooking and stuff like that, welcome to ask any kind of questions about it. This is one of the spices we use. We also recommend it for customers to use it in their kebabs if they're doing any kebabs, and also I use it for my kebab mix too. So if you guys want to have any questions about spices or how to cook a lamb or anything, roast or kebab, no problem, ask us. Every day we do a combo plate. So if you, every day it's a mixed plate and different varieties. Today it's the green cut beans, yellow split peas, lamb stew, lamb kebab, chicken kebab. So if you want a combo, you could do that. And we also have a menu you could order from the menu too. And it's all kind of Afghani food. And on the sides, if you want to do, we also do the shawarmas too, lamb and chicken shawarma.